Hey there! Today we're going to talk about repeat rate. You may have noticed on your ServiceMonster homepage and Accounts homepage your repeat rate dashboard. This shows the number of customers you've serviced more than once in a 2-year period. This 2-year window helps you identify whether you retained the customer or not and represents your true number of active clients. In the dashboard, you can see the percent of retained active residential and commercial customers. Hovering over the number shows you the repeat client count, and the small percentage shows your growth or decline of repeat customers since the previous 2-year period. Now, here's why it matters. Customer retention is the most important aspect of your business in terms of financial stability. If your repeat rate is under 50%, you're losing more customers than you're keeping and need to make up the loss through additional new sales. Improving your repeat rate will not just increase your base revenue, but will also reduce your expenses. Keeping your name in front of your client is far less expensive than trying to get a new customer. Not to mention that your cross-sales potential increases radically if your current clients are aware of all the products and services you offer. Great, but how do we do this? Well, consistent, targeted mailings have proven to be the best way. And that's exactly why ServiceMonster offers automated marketing features and an automated mailing service specifically designed to help build your repeat client base. Hop on over to our website to learn more or give us a call for additional support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!